Hi, I'm John Hazzard, and for me, it's all about food. I want to make a very classic cocktail for you. It's called a woo-woo. It's very simple. It's 1 ounce of vodka, 1 ounce of peach schnapps or peach liqueur, and 1 ounce of cranberry juice. And of course, we have to have ice, and we're going to garnish with a wedge of lime. So let's go ahead and make this cocktail. So we're going to go first with the 1 ounce of vodka. And this is a flavorless vodka. So 1 ounce of vodka. Then let's go now with the 1 ounce of peach schnapps. And this smells delicious. Smells so wonderful. And finally, or second to last, we're going to go with the 1 ounce of the cranberry juice or cranberry cocktail right inside there. And then we're going to be putting some ice now, which is really important, into our Boston shaker. And again, the ice assists with the dilution, not only chilling the beverage, but also assists with the dilution of the beverage as well too. Just make sure we cap it really well. We can give it a good flip, and then let's get started and give it a good shake. Good, so that's good. You can go ahead and double strain this. Let's just double strain this. It's a technique, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So we're gonna double strain this now into our Martini glass. And I love the color of this beverage. It's really a light, beautiful color. There we go. Just push this to the side, and then we're going to take a wedge of lime, and we're going to garnish this cocktail with a wedge of lime. And there you have it. This is our woo-woo. Very simple vodka, peach schnapps, peach liqueur basically, and cranberry cocktail or cranberry juice. And of course ice, served in this Martini glass and garnished with a wedge of lime. Let's just go ahead and taste this. It is so light and fruity. It's a very refreshing beverage for a very hot day. So if you've enjoyed this show again with this beverage, please go ahead and like, subscribe, ring the bell. Again, I'm John Hazzard, and for me it's all about food, but today was all about the woo-woo cocktail. See you next time on All About Food.